I just got changed into appropriate clothes and no longer my PJs, and this is what I'm wearing. So I usually wear almost every single day I wear some kind of like yoga pants, and this is the one that I've been like obsessing over. If you haven't seen my fitness video, this is like all I wear. Like literally, whether I go to the gym or not, these are all I wear because they're so buttery soft. And then just like a white t-shirt because we ain't going anywhere today. Or maybe we might, I don't know. We're gonna go downstairs and see what Peter's doing with Lucas. I think they're reading.
Pants, that's right, we're wearing pants. Mama's here. Say hi, Mama. Hi, Mama.
Mama needs sock.
Oh,
socks.
I need socks?
Yes.
Oh, you're right. I'm sorry. Okay, I'll go up and get some, okay?
Yes.
Can you continue playing with Dada?
Yes.
Okay.
Boy. Okay, let's jump. Jump, 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 jump. What's this? Purple grapes. Wow, so smart. Oh, this is your favorite. What's this? Robot. What do you make the
So I just came down, gonna make a cup of coffee. It's like what I do all the time. So coffee selection of the day. I don't have like any crazy flavors or anything, but my go-to is always hazelnut. Hazelnut. Best coffee ever.
Wow,
Wow. Good morning. Okay, so we subscribe to like this food service that delivers twice a week, and today we're just having some prepackaged breakfast. They're all like really healthy for you, and they're all portion controlled, and it helps when you're like going to the gym and like you know exactly like how much protein you're getting. So these are good. You want cake?
Yes, cake.
Can you sit up here, please?
Mama, see.
Can you sit here? This is what you're eating, right? Yeah. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Can you sit down and we're going to give you cake?
Yellow cake. Yellow cake.
Do you want to dip in this chocolate sauce?
Yes. Okay, size.
You like it? Is it good? So we use chopsticks because we're so Asian. So coming up back to my bedroom. It is so messy right now. Oh my god. And here's my closet. And the reason I haven't actually filmed a full closet tour is because look at this. Like, I don't even know how to deal with this. Maybe it's like neater than a lot of you guys' closet. I don't know. Let me know if your closet is neater than mine, because I feel like I need to revamp it a bit. Like I'm gonna like go through this one by one and do the whole Marie Kondo thing where I just like take out stuff that I don't want or I don't need, that doesn't spark joy in me. And I have here a garbage bag, so we're gonna put everything in there and then hopefully sort out this mess so I can give you guys a proper closet tour. Been 5 hours. Take a look. You guys are gonna be like, nothing has changed, but I'll tell you, something did change. And I have gone through every single piece in here, and winter skirts that I'm gonna put away. These are my shorts and pants. Look how much skirt I have compared to how many pants I have. Open because you know it's underwear. Bras, umbrellas, my socks, and my PJs. And these are all my tops. So these are what I would wear like in the summer. Like they're mostly just like monochrome. Oh my god, who am I? But there's some like pink pieces here. So these are mostly just like tops. And then here we have some dresses. Some like newer stuff that I just got in. And then these ones are tight dresses and blazers. So these are jackets and hoodies. So I'm gonna put them here. Here are all my longer dresses and like my maxi dresses, but they are all uncategorized as of right now. So my next step is to go through them again, and not gonna be moving stuff around, just gonna be like color coordinating them. And yeah. Hi.
Hi, what you doing?
So, welcome to my office. This is my office. Today I'm just putting these items here. I did a closet cleaning the other day, and these are all the items that I'm going to be putting on my blog. If you guys don't already know, I have a blog, and I have a section on my blog dedicated to selling clothing items that I have worn maybe like once or twice, and like a lot of them even have tags in it. Like, see? This is the one that I wore in my Hello Molly haul. But I have an online store, so this is Mango Rabbit, and because we're doing some spring cleaning along with my closet, we have everything on clearance here. So everything you see on this page just got put on clearance for $10 USD per piece. That's what we came here for. Ice cream! So I have with me 2 golden tickets. These got sent to me by Halo Talk, so I'm gonna pick my flavors right now. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna go for because I've never had them actually. I've had the other one called Kuwait, and they have like, I don't know, like 100 calories or something, but let me try this one. Okay, which one do you like? Caramel macchiato and chocolate chip, 80 calories and 100 calories. This concludes our glorious vlog and our glorious Saturday. Nice.
Bye.